Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I want to show off my badge holder, and I ordered this on Etsy. This is a badge bloom badge holder and it is so cute with the beautiful flowery, all shiny and sparkly and just beautiful. And you just put your badge stuff on here and it even has a beautiful gem right there. And I got the magnetic closure on this one. Oops, I don't even have the magnet on the back right now. But the thing about the magnetic closure it's an add-on, and it's, I think, additional $2.50 to have the magnet. The magnet isn't super strong, and as you can see, I lost it in my purse already. I didn't lose it. It's in my purse, I know, but it doesn't like stay on as well as I would like. It's just not super strong, and I can't always wear it with all of my clothes because the magnet doesn't always stick through a heavy material. So I thought, well, I need to get a clip-on one as well. So I did. And again, this is from Etsy, and the place is called Badge Blooms, and I will try to remember to link it below. And says, thanks so much for choosing us. Spread the word, Milena. So that's what I'm doing, Badge Blooms, and this is how it's coming. How cute is that? And this is how it comes. So I got a clip one this time. And look how cute this one is. Beautiful flower, and I wear a lot of black, so I liked that. The clip is very nice. It seems like it's sturdy. It has a nice diamond, well, you know, gem on the thing again, just like the other one. So it's not as elaborate for sure as this one. And this one was a little more expensive than this one. They're going to range anywhere from about $13 to $20, somewhere in that range group. And this one was probably one of the more expensive ones. And then I had the extra add-on. And this one was probably middle of the road. So, and then, you know, there's of course some that don't have gems, and there's all different designs. And if you do nursing, or if you do speech therapy or anything like that, she has a lot of, anything in the healthcare field, I think she has a lot of different choices that are really cute. So I would check them out. And if you aren't in the healthcare field, or you just want bling, or you can be in the healthcare field and still just want something blingy, then, you know, by all means, get something like this. I hope that you guys like this, and check her store out because I think she's awesome. And if you do, please tell her that TT.Scraps sent you. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.